Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Ramba Kajala uba Prestone song habakran chipang gajingja Dewïong ba 1,000 metric ton. Ulaong ba yakani kidang ap ya kai phat na ki board district jong kajaka baja Dewïong banwat ya kajing shisha Halor kajingja Dewïong. Habakali usngo kumno Halor kajingong Menteri Ketenat Excise uba Kyrmen shala bagajingja Dewïong kala bandai na kajing Rong ka umslap uba Prestone ura Kyntait ban Jubab Halor kani. Halor ke jingpan jingshai nak sarkar pedeng hak bedei bakani uba Prestone ulaong bakin sapha ika Jubab Halor kani hadian bakila yo ika kaiphan kumjuru ulaong balada ke Supreme Court kan tuklar Halor Dewïong ke sarkar ke pedang sngobha hendrei ulaong bak sarkar ke jubutha iki board district bapher bat ki SP bat ki tanat trekam bapher jong ke sarkar bakin pej banya ika jingnan ke jingti Dewïong bean bat bakin shimkhya bak jingti Dewïong bean kan omja
get the intervention of Supreme Court regarding the overall issues of coal, pending issues. What is your response?
No, for that also we welcome it. I have nothing to say, no hide and seek. The Supreme Court or whoever agency, we welcome. I used to tell that about this issue of coal mining, illegal trading, illegal movement of coal and all. I mean, time and again, I used to say, if there is any such illegality, any such illegal movement, any such illegal mining, the law is there. So instruction has been given to all the district administration, to all the SPs, to all the different departments in the government to look into it and also to make sure that illegality does not happen.
How is the government reacting to one of the central leader now aiming after Kyrmen's statement that 400 metric tons have flown off to Bangladesh because of the rain, so it's swept off to Bangladesh? The central leader is now aiming for an answer from the government of Meghalaya. How are you reacting to this?
No, that we will present or we will send the reply. We will send the statement because see the statement made by the honorable one of our colleague. Honorable Minister said that due to heavy rain, then it seems coal has been washed away this time. I will not say anything on that. So now we have already asked the concerned district administration to find out the truth and then let that report comes, and even that report will be even sent to the government.